Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll go ahead and show you on how you can create glass card effect in Figma. Now, let's go ahead and say that I want to create something like a card or a representation card right here or a business card, something like that. Now to go ahead and make yourself the glass effect, all you have to do is to go ahead and navigate through the fill section right here. And simply inside, we are then going to add a linear effect. Now from here, I want to go ahead and change it into something like white. And basically, the first one is going to be around 60%. And the other one would be something like 10%. Now that we have this colors right here, I also go ahead and want to add myself something like a rounded corner. And basically next, we just want to go ahead and highlight the text right here. So we simply want to add a stroke. Now we have to do this to go ahead and make the edges of our glass effect right here more distinguishable. So in my case, I'm also going to go ahead and add a gradient effect, something like linear. And from here, once again, I want to go ahead and transform it into something like white. And right after, I'm just going to go ahead and use the other or the colors from the background right here as an example. And I want to go ahead and change the opacity into something like 30%. And basically from there, you just want to add some effects, something like effects right here. You can go ahead and add a drop shadow. In my case, I'll go ahead and make it 25 of the value. Now I also want to add another one. With this one, we'll go ahead and make it something like background blur. And from here, I just want to go ahead and make it something like 5. So from there, we have basically managed to go ahead and create ourselves a glass effect on Figma. You can now go ahead and start filling this out or designing this even more. Now, this just go ahead and depends with your how you design this, and from there you're basically good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.